Look, I'll just accelerate and you guys will hear it. So yeah. Okay, so I installed a BoosterPlug, and about riding for quite some time, the bike has become much more responsive. Much more responsive. And I don't know if you guys can hear, but the amount of thumps, the loudness of the thump that the motorcycle had has increased substantially. I think it's called a backfire or something like that. Look, I'll just accelerate and you guys will hear it. So yeah, that's something there. And overall feel is very, very good. The bike has become much more responsive. So I will do a bit of more testing and we'll go on a lot of long rides. But yeah, overall feel is very, very good. It just makes me smile more. It is just that it's become that good. If you guys can see, there is a bit of condensation happening in the speedometers. I think that's because of the fuel booster plug. Gosh, I always keep confusing between fuel booster and booster plug. But yeah, I'm loving it. Okay, the only thing that's missing from making my motorcycle the perfect motorcycle for all purposes, except for ADB of course, is a touring seat, and I'll get that very, very shortly. After that, it'll be complete. And then there will be no more addition to this. This will be my pieta, as a lot of people would say. And look, it accelerates very quickly too. I'll show you. That's it. It zooms. Do you see that? It just zooms. You got to be careful on these turns, otherwise you'll end up in a ditch. A ditch cow. These are not speed breakers, these are mood killers. So, as always, this video is rather short, but if you enjoyed this video and found something new, do me a favor and hit the like button. And if you're brand new to the channel and want to find your way back, make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. This has been an absolute pleasure. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear this thumps. It does sound like Triumph Bonneville. Not this banging. Could you? I don't know, I'll see in the post. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Gorgeous.